2018 Subaru Forester Premium with eyesight. Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Let me show you this Venetian red Forester. It says it's a two-owner. The first owner was a corporate lease for 5 months, so basically a one-owner. It's been fully inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty that's good nationwide. I personally put 600 miles in this car. Drives great, doesn't need a thing. Got the big panoramic roof, gray cloth interior, Sirius, Bluetooth connections, heated cloth seats, all-wheel drive. Subaru's famous for that. You know what? My mom drives one. 30% of my employees drive them. We love Subaru around here. Can't get enough of them. Just a nice clean car. That Venetian red on these, it just looks fantastic. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. We hate that. We have a car for sale. You know what it's priced at. No surprises. See it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com.